मल्टीमॉडल ट्रान्सपोर्ट हे नव्या वर्साचे गोंयचे पर्यटन आणि येरादारी मळावयले आकर्षण आसतले. येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन सांगले. घर बसल्या फकत एका ॲपाच्या आदारान तुमकां बस, टॅक्सी, रिक्षा वा मोटरसायकल पायलटाक बूक करपाक मेळटलो. कझकस्तानच्यान येयल्ल्या पयल्या चार्टर्ड फ्लायटांतल्या प्रवाशांक येवकार दिल्या उपरांत तेणें मिडियाक सांगले.
कोरोनाच्या काळात आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमान येरादारीचेर परिणाम जाल्लो. वट्ट 2 वर्सां उपरांत 180 पॅसेंजरांक घेवन कझाकिस्तानांतल्यान चार्टर्ड फ्लायट दाबोळेच्या विमानतळार पावले. येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिनो आनी विमान अधिकाऱ्यांनी प्रवाशांक हुनहुनीत येवकार दिलो. मजगती बँडय आसले. आमी आधुनीक युगात वावुरतात. आधुनीक तंत्रज्ञानाचो आदार घेवया, माविनान सांगले.
Electric bus being operated by Kadamba Transport Corporation. Multimodal transport also is going to become a reality come New Year. On the app, they will be able to book a bus, they will be able to book a taxi, they will be able to book a rickshaw, they will be able to book even a motorcycle pilot. These are the future that is supposed to come. We can't stay backward. And slowly but steadily, I am very grateful to United Taximen Union. They have understood the reality. They have been supporting me, and I expect this support to come once we start talking with the other taxi unions as well. Me, in tandem with the Tourism Minister, Mr. Rohan County, will be meeting them if required, along with the Chief Minister. It is with great pleasure that I welcome the first charter coming to Goa, and I am happy for tourism industry as such, because that is the mainstay of our economy today.
The first flight landed in Goa today with 180 passengers. The flight is from Kazakhstan, and this is the first flight after the pandemic, the post-pandemic, and everybody are excited, including all the suppliers of Goa, the hotels, the tour operators, all the vendors. Everybody are excited because of after a 2-year-long gap. The first flight is landed today, and we will be having approximately 4 flights or to 5 flights a week into Goa, from Kazakhstan as well as from Moscow included. And together we would do around approximately 120 flights this particular season. And especially after the post-pandemic, it's a very, very big success with the current situation in Europe and other parts of the world. And I'm sure Goa is going to be rocking the season with all these arrivals as the first, like a new beginning. And I'm sure in the coming years it's going to only enhance and grow multifolds. And Goa is going to be one of the most popular destinations of the world.
The first charter flight at the Dabolim Airport, and this is good sign for Goa and Goa tourism.
Now we are seeing charter flights returning to Goa, and we are very happy to be associated with the Airport Authority of India, and really grateful to Govind sir that he graced the occasion. We are looking forward to a good season. We are expecting somewhere around about 300 plus flights to be handled. And we wish that more and more charters come into Goa.
गोवा 365 खातीर वास्कोच्यान हिरू महाले.